I've been using calisthenics as my go-to method for building muscle for over 17 years now for good reason. I find it's a lot simpler, easier, and much more direct at creating a stimulus for hypertrophy. But different strokes for different folks. But basically, whenever I find people are struggling with building muscle with calisthenics, they're making one of these big common mistakes. The first of which is using too much high repetition training. Because always remember that fundamentally, bodyweight training is just another form of weightlifting. So if you can do an exercise for 30, 40, 50, or 100 reps, that's creating the same stimulus in your muscle as going to the gym and just lifting a light weight for 100 reps or so. It technically can work, but it's not the most efficient way to go about it. So instead of trying to say, I can do 100 push-ups, go into either weighted techniques or progressive techniques that add resistance to your working muscles, so that way you can push closer to failure in less repetitions. The second mistake is focusing too much on exercises that are more skill-based, that are kind of on the edge of your skills and abilities. This is because in order to create the stimulus for hypertrophy, we want to pick exercises that make it as easy as possible to really push close to muscular failure. But when we engage in exercises that are very much about skill and coordination and balance and stability, it's just so much harder to reach that stimulus. And therefore, even if you get better at the exercise, you're still not creating much of a stimulus for hypertrophy. The third mistake I often see people make when they're trying to build muscle with calisthenics is they lock themselves into one single exercise technique that they're using. And they're like, oh, I'm at this level of progression or this level in a program. And this is a huge mistake because you'll never find a weightlifter who'll be like, I bench press 185 all the time under all circumstances. That would be ridiculous. But since calisthenics largely uses technique for progression, that's doing, again, the same thing. So some days you're gonna be stronger and you should use a harder technique. Other days you're gonna be a little off kilter. So you better be using something a little easier. Sometimes you may wanna do higher repetition. Sometimes you might wanna focus more on strength. There's lots of reasons to use different techniques in calisthenics training. We don't want to pigeonhole ourselves into just one level of resistance. And this dovetails perfectly with the fourth mistake that I see people make when it comes to trying to build muscle with calisthenics, which is basing their program and progression strategy too much on progression standards. And this is very common in especially progressive calisthenics programs like combat conditioning and stuff, where it's like you have to stay at this level till you reach a certain number of reps, and then you have earned the right to graduate to the next one. And it's fine to base it generally off of that. But I don't even use progression standards in the Beautiful Strength program. That's because if you came to me and you're like, I feel like I want to add more resistance and focus more on strength, I would say, yeah, just do it. Just go. You want to do weighted push-ups? Just do it. You want to try a harder technique? Just go. All you're doing when you add resistance is shifting your stimulus more towards strength and less towards endurance. Or you could go the other way and say, I feel like I want to do it a little easier, take some stress maybe off the joints, train more for endurance. I'm like, yeah, you don't need my permission. Just go ahead and do it. You're still creating a stimulus for hypertrophy. As long as you're pushing close to failure in a few sets per week, that's still going to get the job done. And you're just changing whether it's strength or endurance based. Just do it whenever you like. And then the final mistake that I find people making when trying to build muscle with bodyweight training is more of just a mistake a lot of people make when it comes to trying to build muscle, is they major in minor things. They get on forums and they're debating pea protein versus whey protein, or whether you should do 2 work sets or 3, or if workouts in the morning are more effective than workouts later in the day and stuff. By and large, these details just don't matter very much. And more importantly, the stuff that is truly responsible for your success are the big things that often don't get a lot of attention, like make sure you're getting plenty of sleep, drinking your water, eating to satisfy, particularly plants and protein at each meal, and practicing low skill, techniques that allow you to consistently push close to failure on a regular basis. It's those big rocks that are most important, and while the small stuff does technically matter, don't put too much attention to it. It's usually not going to produce much in the way of progress or results in the long run. But as always, I want to hear from you. What are some of your best tips for building muscle, either with bodyweight training or in general? We would love to hear from you in the RDP community. Till then, be fit and live free.